Hi, this is Bob Pellerin, Ctobob, and today we'll be going back to WatchGuard and we'll be looking at a WatchGuard T80. This is one of the brand new models. Last time we visited a T40. The T80 is the next model up, so it is roughly, I say, about double the speed, and we'll see why I'm a little excited about this. I've had some questions regarding sizing. A lot of people were saying, yeah, the T40 is great for about 20 users. We need something a little bigger. This is the model for you. As always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe. That really helps us out. So let's go ahead and open the box. And I will be using this unit not only to demo it to potential clients, but also we'll be using it around the office for testing, and we'll be making some other videos regarding some settings and so forth. It'll be easier to have our own unit. So this is the one that we'll be keeping and using for that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Actually, I guess I have nothing cut. So the unit itself, pretty straightforward. We always have a little document in here which shows you how to set it up. It's real simple to set up. We'll have future videos and we'll get into some of these different ways to connect to it. So it's a single piece of paper. This is the serial number on a sticker. They're giving you a category, I'm pretty sure it's a category 5E cable. And of course there is the unit. There is a power supply. It's quite large, and you'll see why in a minute. Actually, I'd be curious to know what the, let's see, what the output. So it's 54 volts, 2.22 amperes. So it's quite a lot of power in there, and you'll see in a minute. And of course there is the wire to plug it all in. So let's take a quick look at this unit. Take off plastic. So first thing you'll notice is it's much larger than the T40. This one comes with an option bay, so you can add a card in here, which I don't have any to show you. But basically it slides in. You'll see there's an adapter in the back. The slot there, so you just put that in. And maybe I shouldn't have taken that off right from the get-go, but one of the things you will notice is there's additional ports. Two of these have power over Ethernet, hence the larger power supply. This is a console, basically a serial port. You're probably not going to be using this. And there are two USB. So if we look on the side, we've got some ventilation. And this is the actual front. So we've got all the lights, we've got all of our ports. And on the other side, we strictly have ventilation of the unit. Underneath, there's really nothing on here. So the serial number, which I'm not going to share with you guys. So one of the things that is interesting to note about these, apart from the power over Ethernet, if you have multiple ones, so if you've got multiple ISPs, you can set them up. And of course, the smaller units will also do this. Just happens that you have additional ports on here. So you could have one ISP going to the first port and a second ISP to the second port and so forth. And of course the point is you could do things like round robin, or in case of a failure you can program it to go from the one that failed automatically to the other one. So that's what most firms will have, two ISPs providing them, since internet is crucial in these modern times. So a bit of the speeds on here. As I mentioned the T40 earlier, this is a T80, and we've got the UTM is 630 megabits per second. So that's when you've got all the features turned on. If you're talking strictly firewall, it can go to about 1.3 gigabits per second. And the number of VPN clients that this can handle is 50. So I believe you can go up to 30 with the T40. And the previous model, T35, I believe was 25. So they're slowly going up. This is a much bigger unit, has more processing power. It will be faster, more responsive. And it's set up the same way. You can use both an HTTP connection to it. We're using a browser, or you can use a special program, and basically a management software that WatchGuard provides. It's on their internet page. You just download it and you can connect to it. We'll see that in future videos. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put it below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Pellerin, Ctobob.